Howdy crew, bit an update for the truck. Gonna get into several details. Let's get to it. This morning, got an email from the insurance company because talking with the insurance company yesterday about the truck being here today. And apparently, since the quote was over 30 days old, things had to be redone. So I've been scrambling, filling out paperwork, scanning it, sending it back to the insurance company, going back and forth to the insurance company, making sure everything else is good. And everything is good. So thank goodness, that's all good, fine and dandy. Got the insurance card. It was emailed, so cut it out of the piece of paper, and then another insurance card will be mailed out. But at least I do have proof of insurance, so that way when picking up the truck, I can show them proof of insurance. Everything's gonna be good, because can't leave the lot without that. And so that was a little bit of a scare this morning, but everything's good, everything's fine. Just things pop up, and that's one of the things about this whole process is things pop up, and it happens. Whether good, bad, or indifferent, things are gonna pop up, and it happens. But that was a bit of a scare earlier. Getting ready right now to head out to the Ford dealership, go look at the truck, and hopefully everything's good, and pick it up, and pay for it, and all that good stuff. So, anywho's, I want to give that update because it was just a little bit of a sudden rush there of just all kinds of things, fear of what's going on, and just very interesting. So, thought I'd put that in a vlog because it was just a little bit of a scary moment, but everything's fine, everything's good. Gonna go pick up the truck now. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all very soon in the next video.